Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Messin' with Meats. Today we're going to do a pretty easy one. We're going to do burgers on the smoker, but we're also going to finish them on the grill. So hopefully you enjoy, and let's get started.
First things first, we're going to throw these gloves on. Anytime I'm working with raw meat, I like to go ahead and just throw gloves on. It's just easy cleanup. That way you're not washing your hands 4,000 times. Also, don't mind the feet on the left side of the counter. My sister-in-law is a huge fan. She just wanted a front row seat, that's all. So I went ahead and before I pattied these burgers, you could see that I had them in that bowl, all the meat together. I went ahead and threw some minced onions, some garlic powder, salt and pepper in the meat, worked it in a little bit, and then I pattied them out. Some salt and pepper on the outside of the burger as well. I'm a huge fan of pepper, also a huge fan of salt. We're gonna go ahead and put these on the smoker. We're gonna have the smoker set to about 225 degrees.
One hour later.
We're gonna leave these burgers on the smoker until they hit an internal temperature of about 135. At that point, we're gonna transfer them from the smoker on over to the grill. We're only leaving them on the grill to get a nice sear with some grill marks on them. You're not going to get to watch all of that on the grill because I had a little minor flare up, no big deal. Might have just been some 20-inch flames, but obviously I edited it. So here's our finished product. I removed them from the grill whenever they hit about 145, 150 degrees. Thanks for watching, and of course, have a Merry Christmas.